Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about the if and else conditions. If you don't understand this video, please watch this video again. Else you can watch the other video. Hope by now you understand what is if and else, right? So simple, right? So if some condition satisfied, perform it. If that particular condition don't satisfy it, do some other task, right? So that's called the if and else. So we'll take some example. I'm saying just a equal to 2, right? So I'm checking if a is equal to 2, then I'm saying print it's 2. Yeah, it printed 2 because a is equal to 2, right? If I say a equal to 3, then obviously it won't print anything, right? So here I did not said, I just said only if a equal to 2, right? What if a is not equal to 2? And that's where we got the else condition, right? So I'll say else print it's not true, right? Now we have an else condition. So now let me print this. What result we get? Obviously it is false. If condition will execute only if the condition is true, else it will not execute. So these are called the comparison operators. In case if you're not sure what is comparison operator, please watch my the previous videos. So we'll take another example. We'll check if the given value is an even or not. So for that I'll say a module 2 is double equal to 0. We know what this the percentage will give. Usually it will retrieve the remainder after a division, right? So now when I say 2 divided by 2, so the remainder will be 0 obviously, right? So when I say 2 divided by 3, the remainder will be 2, else 2 divided by 4, this, right? So when I say maybe 3 mod 3, the remainder will be 0, right? For example, any even number can be divided by 2, right? So I mean, if any even number, if I divide it by 2, the remainder will be obviously 0, right? Let's say 10 mod 2 is 0, right? So 12 mod 2 is 0. Let's say if it's 13 mod 2, then that particular mod, the remainder won't be 0. It will be other than 0, right? So now I'm saying if a mod 2 equal to 0, then I'm saying it's an even. Else it's an odd. It's an odd because I just said a equal to 3 here, right? So I can say a equal to 2. If I run this, then it will be an even, right? We'll take one more example. So I'm just creating a string. So saying my name is Teja. Now in a given string, I want to check if the particular character or particular word is present or not. So what I can do is, if this name is in the my variable name, then I'm saying word name is present, present, right? Did you see? Now I'm just saying some random variable here. No, because this particular name is not available in this string, right? So the in condition, so in operator will help you to check if this particular value is in the given string or some other value, right? Maybe you can see this, right? So name in name, you got false because the name is not there, right? In, right? Now you understand how if else condition works. So if you really want to work with the if and else condition, you should know the different types of comparison operators, right? As I said, I already made a videos on the different types of comparison operators. So because if and else condition need whether the particular case is true or false, it will actually work based on the boolean values, right? Whether it's a true or false, right? Enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.